Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create RAR and zip files by archiving any type of files into them on a Realme GT Neo 3 using an app called RAR. So we've shown you how to download this app in our other video, so go check it out if you don't have it. Now let's open this app, and from here we'll need to navigate to the folder where we have the files. So for me it's going to be DCIM and then camera. There's a few pictures. Now let's select each of the files that we want to pack and then click on this plus button where we selected everything. Now we can change archiving options. So here you can pick a name for this archive, set a password for it, change the extension, so pick it to be RAR or zip. You can change few options right here. In advanced there'll be more advanced settings, and in the options there'll be more options. In the comment section you can leave any description about this file, and when everything is set, click on OK, and that way you'll create a simple RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.